Human beings have an inherent need for social structures, and our course Islamic Political Directives delves into the fundamental principles shaping the political system in the context of Islam. The objective of this effort is to underscore the significance of a social contract that purifies the state system and nurtures a just government. Divine guidance provided for humanity to navigate the complexities of political systems are explained through the framework of the divine law as found in the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The course covers key aspects, including the basic principles of Islamic political directives, the responsibilities of an Islamic state, religious obligations, citizenship and rights, the system of government, and the significance of consultation within the rightly guided caliphate. Throughout the course, these principles are explained in the light of the Quran. Enroll for this course through the link provided in description and learn the Islamic political directives.